Are you ready to explore U.S. citizenship? Citizenship offers numerous benefits and rights. First, let's discuss eligibility criteria. You must be a lawful permanent resident. You should have lived in the U.S. for years. Understanding the application process is crucial. Prepare Form N-400, the application form. Gather necessary documents for submission. Include your green card and tax records. Submit your application with required fees. After submission, you will wait for processing. You'll be scheduled for biometrics appointment. Next, you'll take the civics test. Practice questions to prepare for this test. Then comes the naturalization interview. Dress appropriately and be well prepared. Pass the interview and you're nearly there. Attend the oath ceremony to complete it. Finally, celebrate your new citizenship. Want to enhance your viewing experience? Check out 2tv.store for excellent IPTV options. Nancy offers live support for installation. Install IPTV and enjoy your favorite shows. Thanks for joining us on this journey.